are landing. I can see Delhi from the window.
Welcome to India, Sophia. Sophia, are you ready?
I am so excited and a little nervous.
Why nervous? India is very friendly.
I heard India is very busy and very loud.
Yes, busy and loud, but also beautiful. Come.
Everything is happening at once. It is so much.
This is normal Delhi, very normal.
The colors. Everything is so colorful here.
India loves color. We cannot live without it.
Namaste. Did I do that correctly? I can see a temple from my window. Beautiful. I am in India. It is incredible. So different from home. This is incredible. Where do I look first?
Follow me. I know every corner here.
It is amazing. That is Indian spices.
We cook with all of them.
This chai is incredible. Warm and spicy and sweet.
Every Indian morning starts with chai. Every single one. Put the whole thing in your mouth. All of it.
Oh, all at once?
So much taste.
10 out of 10. That is the best thing I ever ate.
Wait. You have not tried everything yet.
It is so sweet and crispy.
What is inside? Sugar syrup. That is all. Perfect Indian sweet.
How much is this yellow top?
300 rupees. Very good quality. You should bargain.
Can you do 200 rupees?
250. My last price. Deal?
Deal! It is so big and so red.
Red sandstone. Built in 1639. Still standing. Delhi is 3,000 years old. Very old city.
3,000 years. My city is only 200. I love the train. The countryside is so beautiful.
India looks different from a train. Slower, better. Behold the Taj Mahal. It is beautiful, isn't it? I always love seeing that first reaction.
It is absolutely breathtaking.
Beautiful, isn't it? It takes your breath away every time.
It is more beautiful in real life. Much more.
Haha. Everyone says that. Every single person.
The white marble looks like it is glowing.
It changes color. Morning is gold, evening is pink.
The carvings are so detailed. How did they do this?
20,000 workers, 22 years, by hand. He built this for his wife. She passed away.
He built the most beautiful building for her? 2 Taj Mahals, one real, one in the water.
The reflection is also perfect, just like the building.
I will come back one day, I promise.
Everyone says that too, and they always do.
Everything is pink. Why is it all pink?
Pink means welcome. The king painted it for a royal visit.
953 windows.
Ravi said that. The ladies watch the city through these screens.
This necklace is beautiful. Is it real gold?
Gold-plated. Traditional Rajasthani design. Very old style.
I will wear it tonight for the sunset dinner.
Good choice. Gold looks beautiful at sunset. Now you look like Jaipur.
I love it. I am wearing this all day. He is so big and very calm.
Camels are always calm. It is their nature.
I can see the whole city from here, all pink.
Rajasthan is the most beautiful state in India.
Oh, this is the most beautiful view I have ever seen.
This is the real Jaipur, not the tourist Jaipur. Look at how the light hits the buildings.
Ravi, I was scared to come to India.
I know. Many people are scared before they come.
Now I never want to leave. India changed everything.
India does that. To everyone, every time.
This necklace is perfect with this dress. Ravi, this is too beautiful.
Is this real? India is always real. That is what makes it India.
What do you recommend? I want real Rajasthani food.
Dal bati churma, the best dish of Rajasthan.
It looks incredible. Everything is golden colored.
Ghee, butter from cow's milk.
This is the best meal I have ever had.
Dal bati always wins. Every time, every person. Spectacular, isn't it? Jaipur is magical.
It is absolutely breathtaking. So,
What do you think of India now?
I think India is the most surprising place I ever visited. I expected chaos. I found chaos. But also so much beauty.
That is India exactly. Chaos and beauty. Together. I show India to people for 20 years. I still love it.
I can see why. I completely understand why. My bag is so heavy now. I bought too many things. Thank you, Ravi, for everything. All of it.
Come back soon, Sophia. India is waiting for you.
I was scared before I came. I had no reason to be scared.